In this video, I'll show you how to change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. By default, your phone uses the Samsung keyboard, but if you want to switch to something like Google Keyboard, Gboard, just follow these simple steps. First, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Here, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now, you'll see your current default keyboard is set to Samsung Keyboard. If you want to use Gboard, you'll first need to install it. So go to the Google Play Store, search for Gboard, and install it on your device. Once installed, go back to the Keyboard List and Default settings. Turn on Gboard from the list. After that, tap on Default Keyboard and select Gboard. That's it. Your keyboard is now changed. You can also customize your keyboard settings, like changing the language to English US, English India, or any other language you prefer. You can enable features like autocorrection, suggestions, and auto-spacing after punctuation. So that's how you can easily change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.